If you have a photo or scanned document and you want to save, print or share neatly, converting images to PDF makes everything more organized and professional. In this video, I'll show you how to easily turn any image into a PDF using Systweak PDF Editor. Let's begin. In the Systweak PDF Editor, go to the top menu bar and click on Convert. To convert an image to a PDF file, click on Convert From. And you will see a list of all the formats you can change into PDF. Select Image to PDF from these options. A window will pop up. Select your image and click Open. The tool will instantly convert your image into a PDF file. Click OK and the PDF file will be automatically saved in the same location as the original image. Your newly created PDF will also open automatically. This was the original image, and here is the PDF file we just created from it. If you want to convert multiple images to PDF, here's how you can do it. Click on Convert, then click Batch Process and choose Batch Create. Now simply drag and drop the images here. Once you're all set, click on Create PDF and Systweak PDF Editor will convert all your images in one go. Click OK and that's it. All your images are now saved as PDFs. So that's how easy it is to convert an image into a PDF file using Systweak PDF Editor. You can scan the QR code visible on the screen to download and install Systweak PDF Editor from the website. You can watch the other tutorials by clicking on the playlist link given in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If there's any issue, just write it in the comments. I'll help you out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.